Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and removing the battery. This protects circuits and lets you probe safely. Once done, plug a known good VGA cable into the laptop and a working monitor to confirm port failure versus cable or driver issues. Make sure you have a small screwdriver set, ESD strap, magnifier, soldering iron, and multimeter on hand. Inspect the port for bent pins, debris, or loose housing, and note any visible damage before you proceed to disassembly. You'll remove the laptop bezel and keyboard to expose the VGA connector and adjacent circuit traces. Label screws so reassembly is painless. Once exposed, examine the port and solder joints under magnification to find cracked joints, lifted pads, or broken pins. These cause intermittent or no signal. If joints are cracked, gently reflow fresh solder onto pads. If the connector housing or pins are damaged, desolder and replace the connector with the exact model. Use a multimeter to confirm continuity on each VGA pin. You now reassemble the laptop in reverse order, ensuring the VGA port is aligned and all screws and shielding are secure. This prevents mechanical stress that causes future failures. Once closed, connect the known good VGA cable and monitor, power on, and check for a signal and correct resolution. Make sure drivers are loaded and output is enabled in display settings. If there's no output, measure power rails at the connector and inspect for broken traces. If needed, replace the daughter board or the entire connector assembly as the final fix. One key troubleshooting tip. If intermittent, verify both cable and connector seating first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.